Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you all the sensors and how you can clean it in the Roomba Robot 405. So the first 360-degree sensor is located here. The next one, the front sensor, it's below this 360. And on the back of the appliance we have the 4 cliff sensors. Sorry, focus. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how to clean it? You can clean it with the piece of the clean paper towel, and if you want to use any detergent, use only the IPA alcohol. Don't use the alcohol from the sanitizers, for example, because there could be the glycerin, the other fragrance that can just damage your sensor or just disable it. So remember, if you want to use the alcohol, use the IPA alcohol or just clean, and just clean the sensor manually with the paper towel. Basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.